Hi, this is Ankush Kesud, father of two smart kids, two dogs, married to a Wonder Woman, son of winner parents, now a real estate strategist and a web coach. My dear friends, today I want to share about associates and real estate agents as they are facing problems to resolve the queries of the clients. That most of the clients are wondering that they are looking at correction of prices in the real estate market, in primary market, although builders are not actually reducing the prices. They are selling the apartments on the same price. What to do, how to resolve this query, how can you make understand as a realtor to the client. Let me start with three tsunamis which has come over here in India earlier in real estate. Let's start with first, demonetization. See, once the demonetization has happened and the secondary market prices got reduced up around 30%. So that 30% reduction was a change actually, that most of the clients comes towards the primary market rather than getting into the secondary market, because there was no consumption of B component after the demonetization. So that was a good thing after first tsunami. Second tsunami was clearly a GST. Earlier arrangements was builders was very smooth, and every change, and change is inevitable, but change makes you little uncomfortable. So most of the builders and realtors were uncomfortable, even though client was also wondering that service tax was around 4% or nearby 4.5, and now they have to give in the under construction project nearby 5% or a 6% earlier. How to cope up with it? See, again, it gives more clarity to the builder about the input credits, and later on it got all settled, and the credit which gives to the builder, input credit, it shared with the client, and client is also now understood that the government policies are there to support each and every industry. It is not related to only real estate industry, because all other industries are dependent upon them, and transactions of in GST makes better financials of builder, because every transaction is in the white then. So due to the GST, the worth of builder have been increased, and other industries related to it. So surely it gives support to the economy, and credibility of builder is enhanced. So the delivery of the product is always at a right time, because banks also support because of the enhanced credibility in financials. So you make to understand the client about this aspect. That was the second tsunami. Third tsunami was RERA, Real Estate Regulatory Act. It is a constitution in India now. How it brought in the picture of real estate in India. It is a born baby of Noida builders. Noida, which there was around more than 20,000 odd flats are unsold, inventory is available, and that is the reason wherein the default was happened, and people who have bought their dream homes could not get the delivery of the same. So I think these three tsunamis brought in right change, because RERA is a constitution which gives comfort to the client. Even it is a support to the builders also to get the RERA compliant project, because if client is aware about this RERA constitution, it gives confidence to the client, and you can enhance more sales because you have an educated client. Last but not least, now COVID has come. See, the earlier tsunamis given the positive change. Now in COVID, even though many European countries are looking forward towards India, so that means the manufacturers and the most high-end industries will be setting up in the India in coming days, in coming year 2020-21, in the later months of 2020 or 21. Once the vaccine will be discovered of corona, surely the things will move in the right shape, and high in foreign investments which comes to which were going to the China earlier will come to our country in India. So the boost set up by the government, even though after this declaration of 20 lakh crore rupees will be given to the Indian economy to give the boost the economy, even rate of interest from the bank sides are very low because of the low repo rate. So these all are, this is a fourth tsunami, and this fourth tsunami will turn into the great opportunities of all us realtors. As earlier three tsunamis brought in right and corrective change in the real estate to become more professional and industry. In the same way, this tsunami will win over this tsunami and just make the client understand the builders have bought the land in higher rates in previous months or previous last 2 years. They have come up with their project to sell in coming years. So the reduction in prices of apartment is impossible. You get a right price at a right time. This is the buyer's market. Even though you have a fear in mind, you have a support from the bank, and builder is also wanted to make a good support to the client. Just focus on the project. Those are RERA compliant, and those have given the project earlier projects on a time. So all these things can contribute in making right decision to the client, and you can resolve the query of client. Thank you. This is Ankush K. Sood, father of 2 smart kids, 2 dogs, married to a Wonder Woman, son of winner parents, soccer player in school days, got rich experience in sales and marketing, worked for multinational companies, turned real estate strategist and a web coach. Thank you. Take care.